What's up, you guys? You know what I'm saying? I just woke up, so I look so disgusting. Like, but long story no short, you know what the title is, and you know you're gonna get this shopping started or whatever. I go to community college and I stayed at home with my mom, so the room is to myself. So period, I'm gonna redo it. So with that being motherfucking said, yeah, baby, like I have money. Why am I sitting here not putting it toward this basic room? Feel me? Like, come on now. So today I will be going shopping. Mom's gonna take me to the furniture store and try to see what beds I can get. But I have a lot of stores I need to go to. Yeah, so I'm gonna get ready. You're gonna look at me get ready, and we're gonna get this started. Okay, y'all. So that's what I was saying. This room's a mess. Me getting weight wise, I always flop on my bed, and my bed effing broke, y'all. So it look like this now. It's lower, it's on the freaking floor, and you know me, you know what I'm saying, like I can't live like that. Like, gotta get a bed, baby, because I'm not gonna be on the floor. I'm gonna leave y'all after hours of being on my phone and doing stupid stuff. That's my outfit for today. Period. Big links, big blinks. Okay, near my job, there's a lot of like shopping centers, like stores. So there's like Five Below, Hobby Lobby, Dick's, Sporting Goods, there's Home Goods, you know what I'm saying? I'm finna get this food. Let me scoot this chair back up. Okay, you guys, so we're finally at Five Below. So yeah.
They have a pink extension cord, that is so cute.
I didn't find much. Like I kind of expected that. I didn't find much in Five Below, but I found like some little cute little trinkets and stuff, little lights. But that's it. Zim. Now this is cute, but I don't want to do too much white because it's white, gray, and turquoise or light blue. But these, now I want to add a little more blue and gray to it as well. Now this is ugly. Stop it. Well, this is the color I want. Home Goods. There was a lot of good stuff in there. There was good stuff inside Home Goods, but I'm gonna come back though. Too cute. I'm at Wally World because I told myself if I find a lot of good things at Home Goods and Hobby Lobby, then I'm not gonna go to Walmart. But Hobby Lobby, they don't have like bedding and carpets and stuff. Let's see what they have. No, this is what I meant by the gray carpet. But yeah, this is exactly what I needed. How long is this though? This is what I have in my cart so far. I'm trying to find a curtain. One like this, but only has one panel. On all of this, y'all. Try to fit it in this trunk. Try to fit it. I spent a decent amount. I'm surprised it was under $300 though. That was my budget, $300. Car, y'all. I don't know if I should end this right here. Oh yeah, tomorrow. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow though. What's up, you guys? It's the next day. Today's Sunday. I look so disgusting. Thinking my mom and then we finna go furniture shopping. So yes. So bomb, y'all. But that's the bed that I'm getting over there. That one's so pretty. Y'all, I'm buying me a wig ASAP. But we're at Ross. Because I know that Ross has some nice like home decor and stuff and room decor. So I was not gonna miss out on that.
Yeah. Buy the plastic part. So I mean, you could get this shower liner. Where does it say Juicy Couture at?
We just left Ross and we got some stuff. So yeah, this is got our stuff from Ross. And I got some candles. And then I went to Peek and I got some underwear. I have this cute little picture for my bathroom because the bathroom that I have in my house, nobody really uses. So it's basically my bathroom. Some other stuff. I got a carpet for the bathroom. I got this cute shower curtain. Like, but I look a mess. I got the shower. And I was like, this is the only time I have really to get this room together before the people come in and put my bed up. Now, this room is a freaking mess. Okay, the people that are coming to bring my bed and build it is coming on Wednesday from Rooms to Go. If you saw that vlog. My vanity set is already here from Amazon. So, right now, this shelf right here is what I'm working on. I'm basically going to take everything out of these shelves and clean the shelves because I got me some Lysol wipes. I'm basically disinfecting and cleaning and deep cleaning everything in this room, basically. And a disclaimer, I know the carpet is a mess. That's why I'm cleaning the carpet and putting a carpet over it to look more presentable. But yes, I'm disclaimer that some of this stuff is really dirty. That's why we're cleaning it. Disclaimer. Because people like to talk. People that don't run their mouth, you feel me? And it's like, shut up. Like, why are you talking? Like, shut up. So these are clean. Now I gotta clean the top. I had to remove the TV. Now I gotta clean the top. Y'all see how basic like this wall is? That's what I meant. Like, we didn't do nothing to this room. Y'all, I cannot move this thing for nothing. Like, now this thing don't heavy now. It's heavier than me, and I'm a little thick bone. You guys, I am finally done with rearranging this room. It's on this side now, the mirror's on that side. The bed is on this side now. And this is on that side. So it's next to the closet. Or if y'all was looking at the before, you can tell this is totally different. So yeah. So as y'all saw, that was how it looks. So basically, all I'm about to do is just like take all this and like organize it and just try to put the slots in, put the TV back up, and do all that good. I'm not putting this vanity set up until my bed comes, and that's on period. Cause what? So I'm gonna get back to you guys when that's pretty much done, because I don't want to record too much. Like, I really want to see the results. The results really matters. So I'm gonna see you guys after that. put up, they came and set it up. So I literally have class in like an hour, so I'm trying to speed this up for you guys because I have to go to class. The bed looks nice, excuse the bed, but the bed's cute. Anyway, so yeah, the bed is up, which I'm so lit about. Basically, after I come from school, I gotta set up my vanity set, which you guys will see as well. That's the main thing I'm missing in this room. Everything else I have, I will be adding more stuff to the room. Like I have this light up little thing I'm gonna be buying too as well. And I'm gonna put it over my headboard. I have other things I'm gonna buy too, but I'm just showing you what I have now and just basically the bigger transformation. So you guys came from school, whatever, I got me some seafood. I'm ready to tear that mess up. But anyway, guys, just a little update. My stuff came, I don't know what this is, but my poster came. What is that? Okay, don't open it like this. Hold on. I don't know how to break a nail. I'm so serious. Guys, I got it open. Ah! Okay, you guys. This is it. Oh, you so fat. I love him so much. Like, things I would do to this man. The things I would do to this man. So, I'll go ahead and put his information right there or down below, period. Because don't sleep on these TikTok little people's businesses. They be coming through low key. How it looks, the overview, guys. Yes, the bed. This is the bed. This is the first thing you see is a bed. And over here I put a little Santa because, you know, Christmas or whatever. So I have my pillows. Like, if you guys watched the beginning of the video, y'all know what the stuff is from. But, you know, this is like Home Goods and Walmart. Okay, yeah, and I got this for Christmas, so I just put it over my bed. It's mad cute. It's from Walmart. Has little reindeers on it, and it's gray, which is my theme. The theme for my room was light blue and gray and just like silver and like diamonds, whatever. Then I have my fan because it'd be really hot in here. Like the fan, I need my fan to sleep. Like that's my main go-to. The curtains, it's like this is glitter. This is glitter. This is glitter. The curtains are glitter in the middle, and then it's white on the outside. I love that little, you know, blend or whatever. Then I have little pictures on the wall. My husband is right there. Then I have a picture of, you know, a little black queen right there. I got that from I got that from Home Goods as well. I got this from a guy from TikTok, which I'll put him down below. This mannequin for my wigs, a little cute right there. This is my vanity set, which took forever to put up, but it came out together. This vanity set is from Amazon as well, you guys. So yeah, it's mad cute. You know, I got my little mirror. I got everything cute right here. My little soda. And then right here, it's like a little Bratz, little cute little thing. I don't know, I thought it was cute, but I'm gonna get a new one soon because I'm not really feeling the Bratz thing like that. But I got from Amazon. I have these little lights that's barely showing or from down below. And yeah, this little thing. Let me turn the lights off so y'all can really see what it looks like. So that's what it looks like with the lights are turned off. It's just little lights, you know, for a cute little theme or whatever going on or something like that. This side is just, it's not really put together yet. This side is gonna be put together way more better, y'all. Stuff here, I have a diffuser, which I love. It's from Walmart. Got this from Hobby Lobby. Not showing my closet yet. We're gonna do a little closet little thing, which is getting sooner. Here I have my sewing machine, but I don't really use that. Blanket, some random stuff. Mirror, that's from Walmart. Got a while ago. I'm getting a new mirror. Like I said, everything's gonna be way more updated soon, but this is how it is now. This picture's from Family Dollar. And this is from Hobby Lobby, the Chanel. Mirror. These flowers, I'm not sure was a gift. This stand is from Target, and I just have like, you know, hygiene, like hair products, mist. It's like regular stuff, just anything down here that I just put over here. This is my ring light. And then over here I have like my lotion, my candles. This candle is the Watermelon Lemonade by Bath & Body Works. It smells so bomb, so I recommend you guys to get that. But yeah, I just want candles. I love candles. I like candles, smell good. My instant things for my diffuser. I got this from Walmart. And I just have a cute little stuff right here, you know, just smell good. It's from Five Below. Just cute little things. And this is my little dresser. And the trash cans are kind of full, my bag. You know, they get full really quick because they're small. So yeah, you know how they go. This carpet is from Walmart, if y'all saw the vlog. So this is just everything, you guys. This is the vlog. So this is like everything of the room, you guys. So I will be doing an updated one, like I told you guys, in the future, which is gonna be in a couple of months. Comment down below in the comments, what do you rate this room 1 through 10? I give it like a 9. I give it a 10 when it's fully done. But y'all tell me what y'all think about the room. I'll list everything down below so y'all know where it's from. And yeah, like this is it. I love it. Like compare, like if y'all saw the before, y'all can tell me right now. This is way better than the after. Like the before was so busted, y'all. So I would say this room is pretty freaking cute for the before, for the after. So yeah, y'all. I got it together. So thank you guys so much for watching. More videos are coming soon. I just had to get this video out the way, and then we gonna start popping up. So comment some good store places that I should shop for a new mirror. Like what place y'all know that has really bomb, like nice long mirrors too. I need to know. But that's it for the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and bye.